That's great.
Yeah, that's good. I like that.
Look at that.
I like that. I'm happy with it.
That's great, that is.
Awesome. How'd you up to here?
Yeah.
Well,
One more time?
No, I have to be careful. No, I've got to watch the battery because I'm only.
Oh, of course, yeah, that's right.
I'm only on 50, so yeah, that's why I'm not going to push me luck with it.
I'm going to get up. I'm going to go home. I'm going to bed on the time. I'm going to go to college.
Oh, you know how close that was to the
They've got a new. Yeah. They haven't always got second-hand stuff, do they?
Right.
You know how close that prop was to the chicken wire?
Oh, right.
Half inch.
Right. What are you saying?
Be careful, haven't you?
Yeah. Oh man.
Is it good?